Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to add serial number in Microsoft Excel. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So let's suppose that if you want to add serial numbers to this column here, and if you add one by one it will take more time. So instead of doing this here, what you can do here, that you will type here equal to, then row, then function, then minus 0, and then you will press enter, and now it's 1 here. And then what you're gonna have to do, just take your mouse at the bottom right of this cell here, and here you will see this plus sign. So you just have to basically hold and drag this to the number of rows for which you basically want the serial number. So let's suppose I want it for 10 rows, so I will just drag it for this 10 number, and here you can see that we have this cool looking serial numbers here. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.